Hey guys, so today we're with mods. And everyone else does have mods. I have invisibility. So no one
locking my game.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, who's locking my game, bro? It's me. Because you're being annoying. You want me to
I'm
like
not
it?
using no mods. I'm just using long arms. That's all I'm using right now.
I'm using totally not invisibility.
Bro, you can't punch me all the way through. Oh, my gun's breaking.
Like a giant speed boost right now.
Guys, I'm gonna turn on no tag freeze.
I'm not gonna use no mods.
Why are you modding?
Everyone's modding.
Like it's
I'm flying. I'm trying to be only up, guys.
Well, I love juking.
Okay, I'll try
I'm flying.
Woohoo! And just so you know, everyone does have the same menu, or maybe some different menus. This is we're just in like a modded lobby. So we are my menu has invisibility.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
I'm in only up.
Oh.
I really want to just jump down and tag you.
How do you get?
You can if you want.
How do you get the you know?
I'm gonna go to.
How do you get the how do you get the how do you get the I'm gonna go under the map.
Okay, tutorial.
I also have canyons loaded. So
Tutorial.
everyone can get in tutorial. Just gonna. Yeah, canyon is loaded for some reason. No one is even tagged me. Yo guys, I did the L train glitch. This moving thing. Bro, I'm breaking the game so right now. What's that?
You guys can't see, my hands are in the way.
I also got this new pack too.
No, let me see.
Whoa, there's the monsters in the other levels.
I'm getting out of here. I want to skip level.
Clown level
I want to skip this
14.
level. No.
There's the moon.
Secret one should be there.
The Yeti's right on top of us.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump down.
Wait. Yeah, it's a secret cosmetic. It's not even in the shop. You have to find it.
Oh wait,
Okay, then let's go find it.
this game is just broken.
Let's go find it.
I'm in this little box.
At the end.
I shouldn't have.